Without significant change to steer away from ever-expanding deficits and debt, we are on an unsustainable course. Mislead them about credit transfers and job placement programs. One of the worst examples was a college recruiter who visited.
I told you then that if we wanted to steer ourselves out of our economic crisis, if we wanted to bring about the change we needed, then I needed your help. Most of you weren't born with a silver spoon in your mouth. But what you've shown is determination. What you've shown is character. What you've shown is a willingness to work hard and the ability to steer clear of folks that were trying to send you down the wrong path. He's helped revitalize NATO, reset our relations with Russia, and steer our relationship with Pakistan and China. So from now on, I'm telling Congress we should steer federal campus-based aid to those colleges that keep tuition affordable, provide good value, serve their students well. So I've told Congress to steer federal aid to those schools that keep tuition affordable, that provide good value, that serve their students well. And we've put colleges on notice. If you can't, and I've told Congress, steer federal aid to those schools that keep tuition affordable and provide good value and serve their students well. And I've told Congress, steer federal aid to those schools that are doing a good job keeping tuition affordable and providing good value and serving their students well. And I've told Congress to steer federal aid to schools that keep tuition affordable and provide good value and serve their students well. I've told Congress, let's steer federal aid to schools that are doing a good job keeping tuition affordable and provide good value and serve their students well. In cities like Detroit and Salinas, we're helping communities set up youth prevention and intervention programs that steer young people away from a life of gang violence and towards the safety and promise of a classroom.
And in all this, President Napolitano has shown himself to be a visionary leader who has helped to guide and steer Europe towards greater unification, but always with a strong transatlantic relationship in mind. But all of you have helped to steer your states through some of the nation's toughest times.
But American leadership also requires us to see the world as it should be. A place where the aspirations of individual human beings really matters. Where hopes and not just fears govern. Where the truths written into our founding documents can steer the currents of history in a direction of justice.
That clearly knows what's right and what's wrong. Sometimes you're going to mess up, but you can steer back and keep going. And
give judges some discretion around nonviolent crimes so that potentially we can steer a young person who's made a mistake in a better direction.
Lee H. Hamilton has helped steer the course of American history in a spirit of bipartisanship, and he continues to strengthen the homeland and promote diplomacy.